So with an investment of $2,000 within 6 months, you're looking at $12,000. But we can't forget the appreciation of the token itself. The price is on the way up. Programmed wealth is what I call it. That's the power of blockchain technology. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Obadiah with Digital Asset Wealth Group, and we are back with another video. Super excited about today's video. We're going to be talking about Optimus.money. If you've never heard of it, it is making waves, making names in the DeFi space right now, earning up to 1% a day. And I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. So in this video, guys, we're going to be talking about who created this platform, right? Who created Optimus Money? Who is this individual? Do they have the credentials required to be able to build a sustainable business? Okay, we're going to talk about when, right? When was this platform released? We got a new project coming to you guys. We're going to talk about what is Optimus Money, how does it work, and why is it different between anything that this space has ever seen. And if that sounds like something that you want to hear about, stick around until the end, because I'm going to give you everything that you need to know in order for you to make the best decision on should you invest with Optimus.money. Perfect, guys. So today we're talking about Optimus Money, right? Optimus.money is the website. This is a DeFi protocol created by a dude named DeFi Dude, a guy named DeFi Dude. He's a YouTube personality, thousands of followers and views on YouTube. Has built a strong community of individuals as well. So I'm super excited about the individuals that you have behind this, right? He's a stand-up guy, always wants the best for the community, has been doing everything he can to make sure that this project is a success. And even saw him deposit about $100,000 live into his own platform, putting his money where his mouth is. Because at the end of the day, the way that this has been set up is almost bulletproof, right? It's taken a lot of lessons from the different passive income technologies that we've seen in the DeFi space, from BNB miners, right, to Polygon Matic miners, to anything cloud mining, right? We've seen the ROI dApps, okay? We've seen DAOs come and go, right? We've seen the high yield investment platforms come and go. We've seen platforms like Titano, right? We've seen all of it. And DeFi Dude and the developers have been able to learn from all of that and create Optimus Money, right? It's just like how technology works. Someone's always looking to innovate and make something, a better version of something that's out there, right? So here we have Optimus Money. How does it work, right? It's real simply, it uses artificial intelligence to be able to generate revenue for the protocol and for the holders, right? And this is daily income that's being paid directly to your wallet. There's no staking involved. There's no locking up your funds involved, right? And that's what makes Optimus different, right? Your funds are never locked up. There's no staking or lockup contract involved, right? And most importantly, guys, look at this. There's zero fees, right? This platform has been created for the individual, for the investor, right? With the true, in alignment with the true heart of decentralized finance, which is being able to put the power back in the hands of the people, right? So how does the AI trading bot work? A lot of times, if you've never dealt with a trading bot or AI automation, it can be kind of confusing, but I'm going to break this down to you guys in such a simple way that it's going to make sense, right? So here we are on Deck Screener. I'll make a video on how to use this tool because it's very, very powerful if you know what you're looking at, okay? So I'm going to give you a quick crash course, okay? We're looking at what's called a candlestick chart. Right, they're called candlestick charts because each one of these rectangles has a wick attached to them, right? The long line is the wick, and it's giving you data, right? It's telling you where the buyers and sellers and how they interacted in that specific time period, right? So in that specific time period, we have different time periods up here. I could be on a 5-minute chart where every candle represents 5 minutes of time, or I could be on the 1 hour chart where every candle represents 1 hour of time and tells you how price moved within that hour. So what we see, right, how the bot works is that, say a whale were to come in and buy $200,000 worth of Optimus V2, okay, that's going to make price shoot up, okay, that's going to make price go up, okay. And so what the bot does, right, what the AI trading bot does, it actually sells tokens every time price spikes up, as we can see in these wicks, right? The bot is taking profit, right? The bot is actually selling tokens, making profit. And then with that profit, it's putting it into the protocol liquidity, right, to be able to strengthen the floor. What this allows Optimus to do is have a controlled, steady growth, right? Controlled, steady growth. As we can see, this entire time, right, price has been steadily going up, because if price is not going to be allowed to just shoot up indefinitely, because the bot is going to sell and take profit and add to liquidity. Now, what we can see, guys, Optimus is less than 2 weeks old. We can see this pair was created 12 days and 18 hours ago. And within those less than 2 weeks, the market cap has already hit a whopping $30 million, $29.3 million, right above 30. Okay, now what we have to understand again is that Optimus was built on Polygon. So you can see the price in Matic right here, and then you can see the price in USD. Now, guys, there have been a lot of projects that have tried something similar to this, but never like the way that Optimus is doing. Again, because this AI bot is trading every single day on Matic pairs, providing profits to add into the liquidity, and then at the same time is creating a price floor. So when price does shoot up or go down, right, the bot is right there to be able to counteract that and keep the price floor rising steadily, as the developers have said. Okay, perfect. Now that we understand how Optimus works, right, how the price floor is being supported and making sure that it's rising steadily, can this last, right? That's the question that I get. How long is this going to last? What is the potential for Optimus? And I'm super excited about Optimus because the way that they've set it up, it's set to last forever, right? So long as the artificial intelligence continues to work in the background, right? This should continue to grow at a nice rate, right? And what's great is that we are early, okay? This is less than 2 weeks that Optimus has been on the market. And the beautiful thing about some of the other projects that we've seen with a similar architecture, again, not the same, but for example, Drip, right? If you've ever heard of Drip Network, okay, Drip Network is a token that really blew up last year. Okay, we can see as it went from this low of $6 down here all the way up to 160, right? This is a 1% ROI DApp, right? This is a 1% ROI DApp that went from $6 up to 160. But the difference is the level of Ponzi-nomics that are involved with Drip, right? You can't get into Drip unless you have the wallet address of another individual within the network, right? They've got a whole different ecosystem. Not here to go into detail about them, but what I'm here to say is that Optimus Money learned from Drip, and made a better platform. Okay, so I'm super excited to see where Optimus is going to be over the next 3 months, 6 months. As we know, DeFi moves very, very fast. And this is a project that has no marketing, no paid marketing, just word of mouth right now, right? Word of mouth is at $1.23 per token. And I can really see this going over, a 50, 100x here in the next year or two. So we talked about how does Optimus work? How can we tell that the bot is working by looking at these candlestick charts? Okay, we talked about who created Optimus, DeFi dude on YouTube. Go ahead and check him out. Now I want to talk about a little bit about, okay, what does the future of Optimus look like, right? What does it look like 6 months, a year down the road? Is Optimus going to be here 6 months, a year down the road? Something very, very important to address. And I want to do some math at the same time as well, just to show you what's possible. The beautiful thing about Optimus, again, is that the way that the AI trading is working, it's adding more liquidity to deepen the liquidity and still paying out that 1% a day. I've seen a lot of automation. I've seen a lot of AI bots, but never have I seen a DeFi protocol used in conjunction with artificial intelligence trading bots the way that Optimus is doing it. And it's a perfect concoction for daily profits. And so with that being stated, let's say you had $1,000 to invest, okay? And you're receiving 1% daily, guys. In 6 months, if we go ahead and hit calculate, you're compounding every day. In 6 months, you done 6x your money. Okay, you're looking at $6,000 within a matter of 6 months. And remember, you didn't have to do anything, right? You don't have to pull up and click specific buttons to be able to compound your money. You don't have to stake and unstake. You don't have to roast or re-roast. You don't have to do any of that BS, right? steady 1% a day just by holding the tokens in your wallet, right? So we look at 6 months is great, right? But what if we were to hold for a year, right? What if you were able to compound for a year straight? Your $1,000 has turned into $37,000, right? That investment has turned into $37,000. And guys, that's if the price of Optimus does not go up at all. Okay, remember that, right? That's if you got in today and the price never changed. A year from now, it'd be worth 37,000, right? So price could go down, right? And your $1,000 could be worth zero, but more than likely what we're gonna see is price is gonna continue to go up as the developers have designed. And this 37,000 could be upwards if price was just to double from when you got in, right? $74,000, right? It's incredible what can happen when you're mixing not only the eighth wonder of the world compound interest, but you're mixing it with token appreciation. It can really set you up for greatness. They were able to go from 6 to 160, right? So people recognize that there's value in earning 1% a day and whatever it is, okay? But when you have something like Optimus that's designed, doesn't need any new investors to continue to make a profit, it's something that's extremely powerful and is worth taking a look. So I had to bring this information to you guys. I had to bring you the latest and the greatest when it comes to DeFi automation. If you have any questions, again, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Peace.